Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to fix your Wix website not showing up on Google. So from here, I am in the Wix website dashboard, and if your Wix website is not appearing on Google searches, you just need to modify some settings right here. So first, you need to go to your settings. So just click on settings and then scroll down until you see SEO settings. So you can click on that, and then from here scroll down and then make sure that for the site preferences this option is turned on. So let search engines index your site. So you need to keep this feature on for your site to appear in search results. So you can turn this on, so it will show this confirmation window right here that says turning on this feature means that your site can now be indexed and will be eligible to display in search results. So make sure that your website is already finished if you want users to search your website in Google. So click show site, then now it is turned on. Then from here, we are going right here to the marketing tab. So click on SEO and GEO. And then what you need to do is that you need to complete this one, the SEO setup checklist. And then before we do that, you can also see your site performance right here on Google, so that you can see that people are searching for your Wix website. So from here, just complete the SEO setup checklist. And then just click get started. And then you need to name the name of your Wix website or your business. So I'll just set an example name right here. Click next. And then you need to choose what your business serves to your customers. So for example, if your business serves to a physical address, you can do that. Or if your business only caters to online customers. So I'll just click this one, click next, and then you can insert right here keywords that you want to use for your website checklist. So usually when searching for a specific website, what you do in Google is that you search for specific keywords. So you just need to insert keywords right here for your Wix website to include for the Google search results. So just type in a keyword and then type in a comma so that they will be listed as a keyword right here. Then click next. And then we should see the SEO setup checklist right here. So you also need to connect a domain for your website. So if you have like the advanced or the paid plan right here in Wix, you can use that domain as well. So you just need to finish all of the checklists right here, like add text to your homepage, description, your homepage title, and then connect your site to a custom domain, which is a premium feature, and then you will connect your site to Google Search Console. And then you can also optimize the site pages for search engines. And then for the step 3, you can also keep on building on the different SEO settings right here. And then that's it. So accomplishing all of the checklists right here will fix your problem for your Wix website so that they will appear in Google search results. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.